We are going to be touring our third home here at Silvercrest today. This home right here in front of us is a park model, 322 square feet. It's mostly a studio with a full factory built front porch. This is the Athens 19, ATH 19 SP. You're looking at a 26 feet, 6 inches long by 11 feet, 10 inches wide. Again, this is just about 322 square feet. I know you're gonna be asking me, what is the cost of these models? Pricing varies depending on the project, so it's really hard to quote a price, but if you're interested in learning more, you can always contact one of our MH experts at 866-720-2207. They'll be able to help answer all your questions and give you more information. But let's take a step back here real quick so we could take a look at this roof line. I love how the roof gradually slopes up. It's flat and gradually slopes up to the front from the back. They've added just enough windows to add a lot of natural light in this home. The bottom half with, I don't want to forget, look at this black window trim. As you can see, if you've seen the other videos that we've been touring today, white body with black trim is very popular in today's world. A lot of our customers are ordering homes with the black trim and white body. You can see the top half of the home is your standard vertical cement board siding, and we've put the lap siding on the bottom half. As we get in here, you'll see all their decks again. Porches have Trex decking. On this home, we have gray. On the other home that we toured that had a half factory built front porch, they had gray Trex, so you're gonna wanna check out that video. All right, now let's go take a look. This home could be used as an accessory dwelling unit, or if you have property at the river, the beach, the mountains, this could be a great vacation getaway home. As you can see, this is really just a studio. And over here to the right, we have an air conditioning unit, and below there you would put your bed. You could do a wall bed, a sofa bed, anything you'd like. What would you put in this space? Tell us in the comment section. I really like over here to the left how they added this deck with I really like how they added this desk with drawers and these cabinets over here to the right. If you would like to open up this area, you can always omit the cabinets and the desk, give you a little bit more room, but then I don't know where you would put your clothes. And over here in this kitchenette, I say this is like a half refrigerator because it's bigger than a mini fridge, but not quite a full refrigerator. So they did add some space there for you to put some drinks and some perished goods that need to be refrigerated. These are solid surface countertops. Again, you can upgrade them to quartz countertops. And take a look at this shelving. I really like what they did. They kind of used some piping for the stands to secure the shelves to the wall. This is a very cozy room. And let's back up here. We could show you what the ceiling looks like when you have that the flat roof that slopes back down to the back. Look at it, it's hard to show you in this, but it does open it up here in the front. Now we're going to show you this bathroom. This is a full-size bathroom. Just enough to fit everything you need. So, well, that's all for this home. We're going to be touring a fourth home built by Silvercrest today. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we premiere new videos. See you at the next home.